Welcome to this quick video on how you can equip Roblox emotes. So here, what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on the menu and we want to go to avatar. From here, we will hover over animations and then choose the option for emotes. Now, as you can see, we will see the different emotes and you will also see this little button here that says equip emotes. Once selected, it's going to look like this, and it will show us a list of our emotes. If we want to equip any emote in a different slot, for example, if I want to add this applaud emote in the third slot, what I'm going to do is I'm going to left click on it, and then I'm going to click on the third slot. Now, as you can see, this automatically updates it, and if I type /E and space and 3, then this is going to use this emote that I just equipped. You don't even have to save it, you can just exit out of this. And that's how you equip your emotes in Roblox. Hope this helps, leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.